Would you love to be an artist, but don't think you have talent? When I was younger, my art teacher told me I was the worst artist in class. This is my work today. It's been on magazine covers, in galleries, and won top awards. You can be the artist you dream of becoming, and I can help. I'll show you step by step how to draw stunning, photorealistic works like these in colored pencil. It's not about natural talent, it's about learning techniques. In my online course, we'll draw together. I'll show you each step, every pencil stroke, down to the last detail. You'll be amazed at what you can do. Believe in yourself and draw with me today.